Hey, what's up, guys? Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hello, friends, and welcome to Tony's Kitchen. This is part of my cleaning series. I did a video on how to clean your black glass stove. So today's video is going to be about how to clean your porcelain farmhouse sink. You're just going to need a couple of items so that it sparkles. So let's get started. Guys, if you have one of these barn sinks, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to clean it. I'm going to use some Comet or Ajax. Either one is fine. Just sprinkle some down in the sink. They want you to buy all these products. You got everything you need at home. Use a Brillo pad or a scrubber and just go to work. The scratches will start to disappear and the sink will whiten up. See how easily it comes up? All the little gray stains. And yellow. The yellow stains are a bit harder to come up. So you just use this and go around in like circular motions. Use some Clorox and spray it on the yellow spots. And while that is soaking, we're going to do the other side. Spray the yellow spots with Clorox. See how that just came right up? Okay, let's come back over here, check on the yellow spots. Now for the big reveal. Look how pretty it is. So shiny. Looks brand new. All right, guys, thanks for watching.